Hey everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. You stopped by because you love seeing what people get in the Allure beauty box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. This here is the August 2023 box. This beauty subscription is very skincare heavy, although they do have some tools and makeup products. Also, from time to time, it will have some fragrances and hair care products. The box will include 3 full-size products and 3 travel or deluxe samples. This subscription, honestly, is one of my favorites. The brands we receive in this subscription are top-notch. The subscription comes with a pamphlet, which will include commentary from the editors, as well as the MSRP for the full-size item. All right, first product. Ooh, we have another perfume sample. This here is from Klein and is called Rose Absolute. I'm not a huge fan of rose, but let's see if it just includes rose and doesn't smell like rose. Interesting. It doesn't seem to have a spritzer, and I'm worried that as I open it, it's going to spill everywhere. Crisis averted. I am smelling some rose. I've smelled worse rose, but this definitely is giving old lady vibes and a very floral scent. Not my favorite, but I have smelled way worse. All right, next item. Ooh, this here is hair care, and yes, very shiny. There we go. This here is from Color Wow. It's the Dream Coat Super Natural Spray. Not sure if that is full size or not. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right, so it says, inside this shiny bottle is liquid gold for those prone to frizz and flyaways. This smoothing styler forms an invisible shield on your hair like a raincoat against humidity. Well, lucky or not, I don't live in a humid climate and I do not suffer from frizz. Full size is 6.7 ounces and retails for $28, but this is a 1.7 fluid ounce or 50 ml, so this is a travel size. All right, next products I'm super excited about. Actually, I think I already own these. These here are brushes from LARUCE, which are some face brushes. This here is the Duo Fiber, and this one is an angled brush. I actually have this set, which I got from Ipsy/BoxyCharm. These are some nice brushes, and I want to say the set I got, which came in this little container, and I want to say it had 5 brushes, was quite pricey. $90 or maybe it was $50. I don't know. But these are decent brushes, and it's nice to get makeup adjacent products in an Allure box. So yes, this is considered a duo and counts as one item in the box, but the pamphlet says the retail price is $48 for the set. All right, next item, what do we have here? This is from LARITZY Cosmetics. Ooh, it's a lip gloss, and it's in the shade Curve. All right, so this is a kind of deeper mauve pinky fuchsia type of a shade. Let's see if it has a scent. Oh, it does, but not what I was expecting. What does that smell like? All right, let's do a swatch. That is beautiful. I'm wearing a very similar lip color gloss going on. I don't know if this will show up, but let's give it a try. It's definitely a little more pink than what I was wearing. Very comfortable. The scent is giving not floral, it's not a scent I think they put in to make it smell good. I think I'm just smelling the ingredients, if that makes any sense. The lip gloss obviously is full size and it retails for $16. All right, next item. Ooh, I recognize this packaging. We have something from TULA. This here is the Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen with SPF 30. I love getting sunscreens in beauty subscriptions. And I want to say this is looking familiar. I possibly have tried this before or something very similar that I got 2-3 years ago in a BoxyCharm. This is full size. It has 50 ml and retails for $38. All right, the next product is a little sample, and I received this before. It's from a brand called BANILA Co, and it's the Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm. It's your standard cleansing balm where it's kind of firm to the touch. You'd scrape your finger in, rub it all over your face, get rid of all of your makeup, and then rinse it off. I am a lazy girl. These are not my favorite types of cleansing products, but I know a lot of people love cleansing balms, and I've heard good things about this brand. This is a 7 ml sample. Full size is 100 ml and retails for $19. The last item is something from BELIF. This is the Aqua Balm Hyalucid Serum 11%. What is whatever they said? Let me take a look at the booklet. So the editors say, while you'll love it, hyaluronic acid has become known as a superstar ingredient for its hydrating powers, and there are 5 different types blended into BELIF serum for maximum dewiness. All right, I love dewy skin. This is a 5 ml sample. Full size is 15 ml and retails for $32. Oh, it's one of those scenarios. The box is this big, but that is the product. Come on, why do you gotta waste so much paper and cardboard? That's insane. All right, let's recap everything that came in the August Allure beauty box. We got a duo of face brushes from LARUCE, a lip gloss from LARITZY Cosmetics, the Protect and Glow Daily SPF 30 Sunscreen from TULA Skincare, the Color Wow Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, the Aqua Balm Hyalucid 11% Serum from BELIF, the BANILA Co Clean It Zero 3-in-1 Cleansing Balm, and a perfume sample from Klein in the scent Rose Absolute. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, for $25, this is a really good box. I love the brand TULA, and I love getting SPF moisturizing lotions in subscription boxes. I love makeup brushes, particularly face brushes, and this particular set from LARUCE is really nice. I love getting makeup, particularly lip glosses in a shade I can use and enjoy. Yay for not being orange or red. This brand of hair care products I know is really good. I just happen to have short hair, so when hair care products are in a box, I'm a little, not for me, but I know others would thoroughly enjoy receiving this. I'm 56, so I always appreciate getting skincare in boxes. I personally am not into cleansing balms, but I know this is a really good brand and product. Not for me. But again, I'm just not into rose. I'm sure many people would enjoy this scent. I'm going to list the MSRP total value of this box. What I find for a $25 a month box, more often than not, the MSRP value of this box will actually be greater than the items I get in my BoxyCharm by Ipsy, which is a $30 a month box. Not always, but surprisingly, more often than you would think. But now I want to hear from you. What did you think of this month's box? Have you tried any of the products I received? If not, which product was the most interesting to you? And which product would you be most excited to receive if you did subscribe to this box? All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.